Okay, so first we have to tell how to do device modeling process in DIATwin. And then we got air cylinder, conveyor, okay, gripper, and also applying robot in our model library. And maybe we can also do a small project in today's lecture. Okay, so how can we do device modeling in DIATwin? Okay, so this is a typical workflow DIATwin by now. Okay, we can accept you to import your own machine CAD file, but now we only accept STB file. So if you are doing like SolidWorks, Cyro, inventors, such as kind of mechanical design software, you have to first transfer your file format to STP or STP file. Okay, and it recommend you to use AP214 format. And then we recommend you to disassembling, okay, both those equipment to a single component. That is like if you have a whole layout stat file, maybe you can just like yesterday's training, you already can separate it as the component as like a base frame, okay, robot arm, gripper, okay, conveyor. Those are single module. That we recommend you to make it like a single module, and so that it is able for you to organize, and also you have a more flexibility. Maybe you can have a better way for you to do IO communication of those components. So then after separate it to single component, we'll use it. The feature is called extract component, and then after just make it separately, you will do the single product modeling. Okay, so how can we do in single modeling is like this. Okay, like here. Okay, we already separate the whole layout, like the frame, robot, nozzle. Each are single component. Okay, so in layout you will find like 8 components in our scene tree. And here is the single component modeling workflow. Okay, so after open file, maybe you have to extract link. Like you have to, if we got the air cylinder, maybe you have to find out what is the fixing part, what is the sliding part, or if you have a motor, maybe you have to distinguish what is the base, what is the rotating part. Okay, so that we will call extract link. Okay, and then maybe we have to set the origin of it. Okay, and also the rotation axis, okay, of it. And then maybe in another cases, maybe we have a conveyor or gripper. We will use add device. Okay. That is, we have seen some device yesterday, but this device means we only enable the CAD file that have the CAD feature that maybe have some electronic component device behavior. We'll add device in DIATwin. Okay, scene tree. And then we'll use behavior. Okay, behavior help you to link the device and IOs, make them have the relationship. So you will know what IO will control what device by using our behavior. Okay, so maybe and finally, okay, if you have some device, maybe there will be a bounding box need to be set. Bounding box means they have physics relation to each other. Okay, if you just placing feature in DIATwin, they will not collect to each other. They will just penetrate it. Okay. But if you add bounding object, it means you are enable you to have some physics relation to from component to component. Okay, that is just a quick guide. Okay, we can after this page we have to do our device one by one, so you will know what is the structure. Okay. Okay, so here's the behavior list we have mentioned yesterday. Like yesterday, we already know how to do slot interface, right? And also, the two-way container means we can just translate the robot endpoint from the flange to the endpoint of the nozzle. Okay, and here's the yesterday we already used conveyor. Okay, we use optical sensor, right? We also use sourcing to generate the product. Okay. Okay, so this is a typical work. Okay, so let's do a practice. Okay, in today's lecture, we can import this file. Okay, modeling practice automated assembly machine. Okay, so this is DIATwin, and today's we are at day 2. Okay. Day 2. So in day 2, we can open the training model folder. Okay, I think there will be a file. Okay, its name is practice automatic assembly machine. Okay, right here. Okay, so you can use drag and drop to import your file quickly. So this step is just like you import your CAD file in DIATwin. So you can see when you import your CAD file in DIATwin, there's only one component in our layout scene tree. But only one component in our layout scene tree. So now we have to make it separately. Okay, yeah. And after you import your file, okay, I will say how to import it. Okay, if you want to import your CAD file, maybe you can click on modeling and import CAD. Okay, and import a new component. So maybe you can select the stat file right here, and after you import it, there will be a single component in our scene tree. Okay. So this is like you just import your CAD file. So you can save it as a component first, and after import it, it will be like this. Okay.